This morning, senators debated an amendment to the Bail Act, which seeks to insert new provisions to establish strict liability and corresponding penalties for the violation of bail conditions by an accused. Leading off debate was Government Senate Leader, Attorney General, and Minister of Legal Affairs, Senator the Honorable Alison Maynard Gibson, who noted that the amendments will place stiffer penalties on those who violate their terms of bail, and violators could also face 5 years in prison. F&M Senators Carl Bethel and Kwesi Thompson disagreed, arguing that the present Bail Act already makes penalties for those who violate their bail conditions.
We have been placed in a position of having to debate possibly the stupidest law in a long, long time. So something comes in from the court saying this is the record, and the lawyer has his own notes that show a different order, and there's a conflict between the two. It can only be resolved by summoning the judge or the magistrate. So what this bill is doing is creating a lot of confusion.
If his bail is revoked and he is in prison, and you find him guilty of this offense, then he goes to prison, because the magistrate is not going to say, well, you're going to serve your remand, and then after your remand, your time will then continue to run after that. The time will always run together.
The Attorney General responded to the opposition senators, noting that the amendment would be a deterrent to violating one's bail.
Do not, in this day and age, have to go back before the same magistrate. The conditions are right there. Right. Strict liability offense, deal with it on the spot. And this is very important so that we stop this situation of repeat. Imagine somebody out on bail for murder thinking, I can go ahead and commit another murder. By the time the system pursues all the very things that and interfering with witnesses, precisely, all the things that they've just said, that person knowing what the law is and knowing that they're going to have to spend or could run the risk of spending more time in jail, will stop, and they will think twice like they do in other jurisdictions.